For years, Apple's E models meant one thing: compromise. Good design, but older performance. Affordable price, but a step behind. But this time, that story might be changing. Because the upcoming iPhone 17e is shaping up to be something very different, and possibly the smartest iPhone Apple launches this year. According to recent reports, Apple is preparing to unveil the iPhone 17e on March 4th. And the timing isn't random. Launching in early March gives Apple a clean window before its big fall iPhone event, allowing the 17e to grab attention without competing with Pro models. The previous generation replaced the old SE lineup and offered a modern design, but it still felt slightly behind the main series. The iPhone 17e could change that completely. The biggest upgrade? Performance. Leaks suggest the iPhone 17e will feature the new A19 chip, the same processor expected in the standard iPhone 17 lineup. If true, this means flagship-level performance in Apple's most affordable modern iPhone. Expect faster app launches, smoother gaming, better camera processing, improved efficiency, and longer battery life. This isn't a small improvement, it's a full generational leap. Connectivity is also getting a major boost. The iPhone 17e is rumored to include Apple's upgraded C1X modem, delivering significantly faster and more reliable 5G performance. Alongside that, a new N1 wireless chip is expected to enable Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. That means faster downloads, lower latency for gaming and streaming, and more stable connections for accessories like AirPods and smart devices. These aren't flashy upgrades, but they're the kind you'll notice every single day. Another big change could be wireless charging. Reports suggest the iPhone 17e may finally support full MagSafe. That would unlock faster wireless charging speeds, potentially up to 25 watts, and full compatibility with Apple's growing ecosystem of magnetic accessories. For an E model, that's a major step forward. When you look at the full picture, the iPhone 17e isn't really a budget phone anymore. You're getting flagship-level performance, faster connectivity, next-generation wireless features, and full MagSafe support. For users who don't need triple cameras, titanium frames, or promotion displays, this could quietly become the best value iPhone in Apple's lineup. March 4th might not come with big stage drama, but strategically, this could be one of Apple's smartest moves yet. So the question is, does the iPhone 17e finally make the E model worth buying? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more latest tech leaks and updates. I'll see you in the next one.